Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. My name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1 to 2 times a week related to all things fashion, lifestyle, and self-care. Let's get started.
I took 2 weeks off from the gym and I'm back. I just need to make my coffee and skedaddle. And this is pumpkin coffee too. Pumpkin coffee, I know.
Hey guys, welcome back. I just jumped right into the video without nothing. Anyways, join me for half my day as I explore Vlogtober. So I'm trying with the vlog, so just bear with me, okay?
Pack my daughter bag. Making a little bootleg avocado toast. So I just get these packaged avocados from Publix. It makes it so much easier. You don't have to sit there and mash up avocado. That's my breakfast. Hey, mamas. Good morning.
Good morning.
What happened?
I wanted to bring.
You wanted a what?
I wanted to bring.
You can't bring toys to school no more. It's not summer. You can't bring your jewelry to school. This is big girl school. This is VPK.
But Mommy.
Ooh, you smell good, girl.
Yeah. Morning, Grandma.
Nose.
I wanted to bring my lollipop to school.
Oh, you can't bring a lollipop to school. You could pick out a snack.
It's just.
You tricked me. That's just plain and boring. Cheers.
Can I taste sure?
Yeah, I can make it too. You're intelligent. You're educated. You're educated. You're sophisticated. You're confident. You're a rock star. A superstar. There you go. Do her affirmations. This is the work outfit. Probably put on a shirt. Shirt right there. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:46 a.m.
Oh, gotta go. Get. I need to wash my car right now.
I work out 3 to 4 times a week at I Can Fitness here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I definitely recommend you check them out if you're in the area. They do have a north and south location, one in Miami and one in Fort Lauderdale. Definitely recommend. Listen, I was a little rusty, okay? This is me coming back after 2 or 3 weeks. I went on vacation for a week and I was eating and drinking like nobody's business. Then I took 2 weeks off, so please bear with me, okay? Your girl was a little rusty and my knee started hurting. I don't know why. Old age just creeping up on me. I like group fitness workout. At first, I didn't care for it, but I actually like it. You meet amazing people. Everybody's so supportive and nice, and you get a good full body workout. That is Coach K. I freaking love her, man. She's so motivating and definitely encourage you to keep going. And we have Coach Splat. You'll see him out. You'll see him in the video. He's a new coach, but he's good so far.
said one day I'll be on tour, you bitch. That Louis burgers never be the same. A Louis belt that never ease that pain. But I'ma purchase when that day is jerking. Pull off at churches with Pirelli skirt.
One thing about me, I am a morning workout person. I have to get my workout done in the morning because if I keep pushing it off to the evening, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to get it done. I'm just going to say, okay, I'm going to do it later. I'm going to do it later. Later comes and I never do it. So first thing in the morning, after I wake up, brush my teeth, get ready, I take my butt to the gym.
Gang signs out the window, you bitch. Hoping all of them offend you, you bitch. They say your hood is a pot of gold. And we go crash it when nobody's home.
I honestly like these sleds. When I first started, I hated them. But they literally get your body toned and get you going. This is Coach Splat. He's doing what he needs to do. But honey, it was annoying, but he had me motivated to keep going. And that's why I like this place.
Take your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shoe. But the one in front of the gun lives forever. The one in front of the gun forever. And I've been hustling all day. This a waste, that a way. You can lose it alleyways just to say money trees is the perfect.
This workout kicked my behind. After coming back from vacation, drinking, eating like crazy, took 2 weeks off, so 3 weeks off in total. That shit kicked my ass.
Fine. Liberate, cause they ain't gonna talk. Yada, 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 yada.
Now I'm at the orthodontist's office. I cannot say that word to save my life. But anyways, I rushed to get dressed at home. So I got here and I had to put my accessories together and make sure that your girl looked good. And I was looking good. I know I mentioned this before, but I am a Invisalign girl. I've been wearing them since February of this year. I definitely recommend. It is a lot of work. So if you're not going to keep them in your mouth, I do not recommend them. Just go ahead and stick with braces. But this is me just waiting on the dentist to come in. And I was sitting here waiting for them to come in for like 5 minutes, give me my new set of trays, and for me to go. Like, Invisaligns, you have to keep them in for 22 hours. So you only take them out to eat, and you could take them out for a maximum of 2 hours per day. And I'm starting to see some difference. You know, I'm starting to see the progress. Loving it.
I'm gonna go see what they have down here and then come back this way.
I know I skipped half the day and I'm so sorry. After I got home from the dentist, I started working. I had a project that needed to be completed and I just hit the ground running. I am so sorry. Just be patient with me. You know, this vlogging thing is new to me. But yeah, if you're in Fort Lauderdale, Plantation area, this is every Wednesday at Volunteer Park. It was nice. It was my first time going. It was nice. I didn't show you the food because it wasn't that much to write home about. So it's a little later in the day, but baby, I got a makeup vanity. I'm also redoing my closet. When I tell y'all it's a lot going on, it's a lot going on. I'm about to move the light. But yeah, I'm redoing my closet. Sorry for the yellow light. I got that put in. I need to get some more. And it comes with a stool, so like the mirror, the vanity mirror lights up and change different lights, and it comes with a stool. I read horror stories about the stool, that the stool falls apart. Let's hope that's not what happened with my behind.
see if the light works. Ooh. This is like A. Let's hide it. It's a lot of shit. It's a lot of shit. This may be too much. So the time is 1:05 and we're finally done. Okay, it looks good. It looks tiny. Excuse my daughter snoring in the background. She fell asleep in my room. But this is it. The drawers kind of gave me some problems at the end, but not too much problem. Looks good. I like these compartments. This, they didn't tell you what, where, to where. You just had to figure this out. This, you had to figure this part out. But this is it. Changing my night clothes. Oh, warm. I think that's like neutral and cool. Yeah. The stool. So she looks good. We'll play around with it in the morning. About to take my butt to bed, and I think I'll end the vlog right here. Thank you for spending a little glimpse of my day with me. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos 1 to 2 times a week related to all things lifestyle, fashion, and self-care, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.